Hi there, I'm Eric Shaver with Beaver Coach Sales, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on the 2020 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW. So today I want to tell you a little bit about some of the major differences they made from the 2019 Mercedes chassis to the 2020 chassis. So some of the major features you're going to have are going to be the adaptive cruise control for one, that's actually going to pick up the car ahead of you and adapt to their speed as you drive, as well as an improved lane departure setting, as well as a whole bunch of features on the new Smart Wheel. So with the new and improved Smart Wheel, you now have paddle shifters for the new 7-speed gearbox, as well as all of the controls you need for both your cruise control, your navigation, your radio, and as well as communicating with your phone as you're driving down the road. So now I want to tell you a little bit more about this new dash system. So Tiffin's new dash system allows you to see in real time more diagnostic and performance features of the coach on this nice 10.25-inch screen, as well as your navigation and your backup camera. Now, of course, driving is only part of the experience of the new Tiffin Wayfarer. The new 25RW has revolutionary space in a floor plan that's only 25 feet long. In this floor plan, you have a dinette, a couch, and a Murphy bed, along with a rear bathroom that is absolutely unheard of in a coach of this size. Now, the 25RW has tons of options for customization. You can make it exactly how you want to. You've got 3 different choices for wood color, 2 different choices for wallboard, and on top of that, you can customize exactly how it's laid out for your preferences. If you don't want the table, then you can actually get theater seating or a couch here as well. If it's just 2 of you, you might not need this table here. And on top of that, it also has the couch back here. Gives you much more space to move around, have friends over, or just to sit and watch a movie. On this full wall slide, you might be wondering, what do you have really for the bedroom component? With this coach, you have a Murphy bed that's a queen size bed, pulls down in front of this couch. It allows you a lot of options when you get camped. You can have your seating to watch TV, or you can have your bed down. And probably my favorite part of this whole coach is the rear bathroom. Having a rear bathroom gives you a whole bunch of different features that you wouldn't have having the bathroom on the side. You get more storage, a bigger shower, and just overall better use of living space in a 25-foot motorhome. When you put the bathroom on the side, it kind of encroaches on your living space, your storage, and the overall feel of the coach. So speaking of storage on this coach, you have tons of hanging storage, both above and below. And then you have storage all underneath the TV. Some drawers down here for clothing. And a little bit of storage out in the living area as well. Another really cool feature that this Wayfarer has is an onboard vacuum system. This hose will reach the entire length of the coach. And finally, this coach is equipped with a 4-point hydraulic leveling system. No matter where you go, you can always get your coach level and stable. And that does it today for our 2020 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW floor plan. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any other questions, please call us at 541-322-2184. My name was Eric, and thanks for taking the tour with me today.